Hi, I'm Jen, welcome to the channel. I finally perfected making Charlotte cakes. It doesn't fall to bits when it comes out the tin! Progress, people, you gotta love it. I researched into Charlotte cakes and I found out that a Charlotte cake is actually a dessert that uses either bread, sponge cake, and even biscuits and cookies to create and maintain the shape. So I might try that next time to create a base and top layer instead of trifle fingers to give that extra strength. Now, as you've guessed, this isn't just a Charlotte cake. This is a white chocolate and champagne syrup Charlotte cake with strawberry roses on top. Drizzle your champagne syrup over the base and fruit, then dip the rest of your trifle fingers into the syrup and start stacking them around your tin. If you want to see how I made the champagne syrup and strawberry roses, pop over to my hashtag shorts playlist quickly, and then come straight back. None of this going away and not coming back crap. Who do you think you are? Inventing the worst sheepdog in history?
Benton! 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 Oh, Jesus Christ! Benton! Oh, Jesus Christ! Benton!
The champagne syrup makes a great glue for the trifle fingers, and any excess syrup I just had went into the white chocolate filling. Again, I don't have cooking trees utensils, so I used a deep cake tin with a removable base. Once you're done, put the base in the fridge and start working on your filling. Add the last of your now cold syrup into a bowl with your soft cheese and mix well. Don't worry if there's lumps, as we're not finished yet. Melt your white chocolate any way you feel comfortable. Added a little cream, then popped it into the microwave in short bursts, just to make sure I didn't get it too hot. Add this to your bowl, and now whip up your double cream. I am not using gelatin leaves, as I have a 50-50 chance of that working in my favour. So I'm whipping the cream a little longer. I want a filling that won't fall apart when cutting into the cake, but not as stiff as my cheesecake fillings. Combine all together with your cheese mixture and then add it to your cake. Fill it either to the top or leave a bit of space for your fruit. If you have too much, then don't worry. You can use it to make mini cheesecakes. Put it back in the fridge to set and start working on your decorations. Strawberry roses look fantastic, and it's good practice if you want to make an edible fruit bouquet for Valentine's Day. And that's it, you're done? Well, nearly. We now need to get our cake out of the tin in one piece. Get a tub that's smaller than the cake base but higher than the size of the tin and set the cake tin on top of it. Pull down the sides of the tin slowly. That way when you pull down the sides of the tin, you'll just be left with the cake sitting pretty on top of the tub, ready to be moved to your display plate. And now time for the tasting. Wow, the strawberries really do bring out the taste in the champagne. Thanks Pretty Woman for teaching me that.
You should try strawberry.
Why?
It brings out the flavor in the champagne.
Oh, groovy.
The trifle fingers around the sides are lovely and soft, but not soggy with the syrup. The ones in the bottom are though. Definitely need to use a cake for the bottom, and maybe on top as well, since the strawberries made the filling dip. All in all, it's a massive improvement, and I'm happy with the results. Let me know what you think of my progress, and I'll see you all down in the comments. Bye!